Sådan. Ano ko dito bunga 3D-spil sen til
Black Mesa.
Rồi, sino ka na kumasanok sa kasi saktin na kaya mo tiyakto ka po. Tama-tama naksinakpasangit na mas pili lang na po nga soksuto lang na po nga lumit ko. Kamay kaya lang wa may kono lumit ko spili lang na tama. Dawa.
Good morning and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel. The time is 8:47 a.m. Current topside temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a pleasant 68 degrees at all times.
Amma ko siya saktin yak sa pagkakisa ko na. Kamay kaya lang wa mas pili lang na po ba. Visualize. So kasi loading. Sa spilit takiniya anak pa saktin dia sa.
This train is inbound from Level 3 dormitories to Sector C test labs and control facilities. If your intended destination is a high-security area beyond Sector C, you will need to return to the Central Transit Hub in Area 9 and board a high-security train. If you have not yet submitted your identity to the retinal clearance system, you must report to Black Mesa personnel for processing before you will be permitted into the high-security branch of the transit system. Due to the high toxicity of material routinely handled in the Black Mesa compound, no smoking, eating, or drinking are permitted within the Black Mesa transit system.
Sas kusyo takiniya anak po kemudian lang lihat saya anak. Teknologi. Spilira sila tama ganda.
Please keep your limbs inside the train at all times. Do not attempt to open the doors until the train has come to a complete halt at the station platform. In the event of an emergency, passengers are to remain seated and await further instruction. If it is necessary to exit the train, disabled personnel should be evacuated first. Please stay away from electrified rails and proceed to an emergency station until assistance arrives.
Tukarang layak pa si pa 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 da 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 da. Amma ko sukum. Spilli na ko chigo asak sindia sa kaso nga si Misurak to ko yun. Nothing yet. Mä tok kahtiksi vaan. Niin sattu vangin noissa. Loading. Igen, happesan. Chọc cho mà sạch sẽ đẹp quá.
A reminder that the Black Mesa Hazard Course Decathlon will commence this evening at 1900 hours in the Level 3 facility. The semifinals for high security personnel will be announced in a separate secure broadcast transmission. Remember, more lives than yours may depend on your fitness. Do you have a friend or relative who would make a valuable addition to the Black Mesa team? Immediate openings are available in the areas of materials handling and low clearance security. Please contact Black Mesa personnel for further information. If you have an associate with a background in the areas of theoretical physics, biotechnology, or other high-tech disciplines, please contact our civilian recruiting team. The Black Mesa facility is an equal opportunity employer.
Cuma doktor sekian dah doh.
A reminder to all Black Mesa personnel. Regular radiation and biohazard screenings are a requirement of continued employment in the Black Mesa Research Facility. Missing a scheduled urinalysis or radiation checkup is grounds for immediate termination. If you feel you have been exposed to radioactive or other hazardous materials in the course of your duties, contact your radiation safety officer immediately. Work safe. Work smart. Your future depends on it. Now arriving at Sector C test labs and control facilities.
No.
Please stand back from the automated door and wait for the security officer to verify your identity. Before exiting the train, be sure to check your area for personal belongings. Thank you, and have a very safe and productive day.
Morning, Mr. Freeman.
Spiller saktan
Looks like you're running late.
Dava, kizem spiller saktan pura.
You know, Barney's been pretty scarce.
Yung akta pa si Michi. Tokatak pa. English.
Around these parts. Guess his bar tab must have finally caught up with him.
Mau chụp cuộc. Misikirsaksiga reaktorana on sulikko, takonmarialang reaktoga, kadaspillerteganersuda katsiyuta.
Aw, man, you cut the ponytail. Sellout.
Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about, I don't know, 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess. They were also having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Give me some space, Freeman.
Asumir sari kina sigulapo. Akipo, nasito yung miya ko chikong leaktugada. Chikong nito nausay da. Yung inauso, kontrol ko na ako dyan ito shuki.
We can talk later, Gordon. They need you in the test chamber.
Agent Diablos. Report to Topside Hazard Course Operations Center.
We can talk later, Gordon.
Okay, tapos piling at saksok sa'yo lang na siya ba?
Good morning, Dr. Freeman. Earlier, but the thermal protection system seems to be online now. Those TPS reports have gotten progressively worse. Hard to find. You're living in the past. That experiment is single-handedly responsible for inspiring my career in science.
How much recognition?
Piling at saksok sa'yo na siya. Tapos piling na makasang layak pa siya.
Hold it right there, Mr. Freeman. I got explicit orders not to let you through without your hazard suit on.
Chỉ sẽ chắc cơ sẽ bị án. Màu ngọc đẹp sẽ màu.
Morning, champ.
Hello.
Hello.
Good heavens!
What the hell? You think you can fix the vending machine too, college boy?
We will never hear the end of this.
Yeah, you best make like an atom and split. 'Cause that was you-know-who's lunch. You better make like a bread truck and haul buns.
Chỉ sẽ sân con này sang lép cho bình con lên người đó.
Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? Triple-pleated khakis. Preposterous.
Dù ra tất không có tôm.
No toilet paper. Oh, thank heavens! I'm in dire need of some toilet paper.
Ở đeo nó tông đeo tộc.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV protective system for use in hazardous environment conditions. High impact reactive armor activated. Atmospheric contaminant sensors activated. Vital sign monitoring activated. Automatic medical systems engaged. Defensive weapon selection system activated. Munition level monitoring activated. Communications interface online. Have a very safe day. Power 30%.
30%.
Just a minute. Occupied. Occupado.
Occupado.
The other stalls appear to be empty.
Nó càng nghịch nó nằm
Just a
màu
minute.
nắng đồ.
Just a minute.
Chúa biết đọc chưa đọc
Occupied.
Occupied.
Occupado.
Occupado.
The
Occupied.
other stall. Ah, I remember my days in the hazardous environment suit.
Shoot. Chỉ sẽ cập giờ. Phút ta và chạm mô nói thì đang ngó. Dập chứ.
You better make like a prom dress and take off. You better make like a nut and bolt. You better make like a busboy and get the fork out of here. You better make like a missile and cruise. You better make like a baby and head out. You better make like diarrhea and run.
Diarrhea.
You better make like a bread truck and haul buns. You better make like a busboy and get the fork out of here.
Yours. Right.
Sisong nyo kakaunan niya nga dan makakasiyusak pa.
It is still very much.
Sisisakaksin na wala sa unas pili. Ngong kita nga.
Go right on through, sir. Looks like you're in the barrel today.
Observation tank 1.
See you soon. Well, get going.
Up.
Oh yeah, before I forget, me and the boys were thinking about some poker tonight. I'll keep you posted. Knock 'em dead down there, Gordon.
Okay.
I'll meet up with you after my shift's over. Don't you have some buttons to push or something?
Okay.
Gordon Freeman. I've got this under control, Gordon.
Gordon. I got the Gordon for 3D. Ding. Apa? Gano'n.
Sergeant Gillen, report to topside, checkpoint Alpha.
Ang buta magkatusa ako na ako. Dawa edisi. Halos bilisan ako ako sa edisi nga. Bisan na siya si Spindler. Spindler to ka. Okay. Hello.
Not now, Gordon. Now, where did I leave that shutdown procedure chart? I'm sure it'll show up sooner or later.
Not now, Gordon.
We should harness the remaining photonic energy to ensure residence control. Any
What's up, Doc?
ideas on the origin of that new sample?
Doc.
It's been a mess down here this morning. Have fun.
Maraw. Wala. Tama. Yung sa pisaw kasi lakto. Ano na kayo?
Hello, Gordon.
Hello.
Ah, Gordon, there you are.
Nice of you to finally join us, Doctor.
We've just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
We've boosted the anti-mass spectrometer to 105%. Bit of a gamble, but we needed the extra resolution.
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather he went to some lengths to get it.
They're waiting for you, Gordon. In the test chamber.
Right. Come on then, I'll walk you down.
Isami kangadidi.
Eli has been busy making last-minute preparations for the new experiment. Greetings, Eli.
Morning, Izzy.
I trust this morning finds you well.
Gordon, good morning.
Come on.
I'm glad you're here.
You know,
These
October to
last-minute
come.
changes, they're a bit strange to just... Oh! It's about to go critical.
What in the blazes is going on with our equipment?
It was never meant to do this in the first place.
It's nothing we can't handle ourselves, Eli. Run along, Gordon. We'll be but a moment.
Okay. Access denied. Access denied. Access denied. Departure guide.
By Becquerel's ghost! The radiation level is off the charts.
6,000 na do.
You know, this is far from the glory I had envisioned as an undergrad.
How so?
I've got 2 PhDs and an Ørsted medal, yet I find myself doing work best suited for an intern.
Please. You do very meaningful.
Gordon?
Gordon.
Oh, there you are. Everybody's been looking for you, hombre.
Gordon.
Here he is.
I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedure today, Gordon.
Yes, but with good reason. This is a rare opportunity for us. This is the purest sample we've seen yet.
And potentially the most unstable.
Now, as long as we follow standard insertion procedures, everything will be fine.
I don't know how you can say that. Although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade scenario is extremely unlikely. I just don't feel...
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional. We've assured the administrator that nothing will go wrong.
Yes, you're right. Gordon, we have complete confidence in you.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.
Awan yok aksindaw nga. Kana yok doktor basis na wakka yung doktor kana basis na. Dawas kanu asak silyak pong spillim. Tama to aksindaw.
Testing. Everything seems to be in order.
Testing.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this. The specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments. Now, if you would be so good as to climb up and start the rotors, that way we can bring the anti-mass spectrometer to 80% and hold it there until the carrier arrives.
Gordon.
Very good. We'll take it from here.
Power to stage 1 emitters in 3, 2, 1.
I should die.
I'm seeing predictable phase arrays. Stage 2 emitters activating. Stage 2 emitters activating now.
Gordon, we cannot predict how long the system can operate at this level, nor how long the reading will take. Please, work as quickly as you can.
Overhead capacitors to 105%. It's probably not a problem. Probably. But I'm showing a small discrepancy in... Well, no. It's well within acceptable bounds again. Sustaining sequence.
We've just been informed that the sample is ready, Gordon. It should be coming up to you at any moment. Look to the delivery system for your specimen.
Sister what? Doktor kung doksundan gitsa.
Standard insertion. Non-standard specimen. Go ahead, Gordon. Slot the carrier into the analysis port. Get away from the plane! Oh, God. Shut it down.
Shutting down.
Someone get him out of there. Shut it down.
It's not shutting down.
Look out!
Yung nilibigkaw ka. Shut it down. Ow. Wait, what?
Galalong ja long aga.
Kalalang. Okay. lang ilutin. Nanti usus sa kanya. Lang. Lang. Multiplex.
Damn it. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Usap po kanina kaya Kalalang. Pilipin-dipin yung sakpok. Patakpo ka. Kalalang?
Science personnel. Please report status.
Listen, I tried to warn you.
I never thought I'd see a resonance cascade. Schrodinger's cat. He's alive.
Thank God for that hazard suit. All the phones are out. I can't reach anyone in the facility. We need to get to the surface and let someone know that we're stranded down here. There's no telling what kind of danger is. My God, what have we done?
Fascinating. Would you look at that?
We can't afford to waste time. You'll need me for the retinal scanner. I'm certain the rest of the science team will help you along the way. And for God's sake, keep that suit on until you're in the clear. You hear me?
Open sesame. Ow.
Warning. Unauthorized biological forms detected in Sector C.
Oh, then.
Warning. Sector C. Elevator failure. Do not use.
Sige, sinasong ano daw siya.
Warning. Anomalous energy field detected in Administration Center.
Power 15%.
Hello there, buddy. How are you today? Spillita nga sa spilling sana sa kamo. Tama spilling ni tama saksin ni ko kaya kama kana piso kasi naksukasin. Ako. Tama kao sukingan na.
Gordon? Gordon! Man, am I glad to see you. What the hell are these things, man? And why are they wearing science team uniforms? Okay, why not? I didn't want to die alone anyway. All right, I'll stay here. Ready when you are, Doc. That's right. Chow time's over. One down and hell if I know how many left. You want some more?
Yep.
You feeling lucky?
Lucky Buster! Không ai apa yung...
Jesus, this place is in bad shape.
Lucky Buster!
I think I just got a promotion.
Shoot, boss. Mana sudah? Pindah sampah, oke. Oh ya, Zok, tuh.
This shit is something out of a sci-fi movie.
Yeah.
Here comes more of those things. My bad, Freeman.
Akadashi! Ano to siya? Riyasajitan ngerang.
Let me get out of here.
Pinakit!
Like that? Huh?
More destruction now. Fuck your foot.
You asked for it. I'm empty. Cover me. Let me get out of the way, Doc. Okay, I'm gonna try to call for help. You gotta get to the admin office upstairs. This is Sector C, anomalous materials. We have an emergency situation here. I repeat, we have a code red emergency situation here. Possible biocontamination.
Ah, shot down.
Minor lacerations detected.
Medyo damo ko na kaya kasi kuping ko mission nito rin na makayarak to siya ro.
Come on.
Kaya kuping ko mission di ba? Nadajindag ako sinaga. Ngwak suga.
You stay back! Huh?
That's it. I've had enough. Die! Die!
지금 저건 영화? 위에 똥댕. Nawakan mo siya sa taksak sindawa. Okay. Dava. Bigla sakit ang money.
Power 65%.
Siapa? Oh, pinabok. You know about
Ammunition depleted.
fuck you. Jossain krokluokassa puolella. It's 69.
Oh, thank God. Listen, I know where you can find some more weaponry. There's a security office not far from here. Take me with you, and I'll unlock the door.
What did I? Nó ta con ra thôi.
Lead on, Gordon.
Gordon. Camera slot.
Ah, safe haven. Oh, well, at any rate, over there's the weapons I spoke of.
Okay, home cards.
I've had my fill for excitement today. You're welcome to stay if you want.
Ah, bisa kaya kang gitu. Papa.
Oh my stars!
She's rolling on. Amma. Jangan. Pakoyok na. Ang kamating bang. Hopam! pingosanak luwas ko yung slangilaka, sinak paslangislan. Sweet. Ah! Ngambak daw ah. Holy shit. Ba-ba. Frankie 엄마 가나지. Relaxo. 딱 이제인가? Siwna naktarak po sa kanya sinasang presindaktak sa masasya mas bye. Tisyan takush. Bye bye.